Hi, I'm Brad Franz, and I'm here today with Jeff McDonald, and we're going to talk to you about the all-new 2025 next-generation Chevrolet Equinox. What about this vehicle separates it from the current generation?
Well, Brad, really building on the architecture and really the next evolution in our expressive design for the product that really focuses on the heart of our market.
Yeah, speaking of design, let's start right there. What about the design of the vehicle are you most excited about? What's different? What's really going to stick out?
When you take a look at its expressive, bold, muscular lines, the balance of the interior and exterior, bringing in modern technology, as well as comfort, and really the functionality of the interior as a total package really sets us apart from our competitor.
Something else that I think is going to be unique is our active trim. We feel like this opens up a whole new dimension of customer potentially for us.
For sure, we're listening to the segment. A 17-inch all-terrain tire on the active, certainly the sporty, youthful look really emphasizes the active brand, right, that we have going.
That's exciting. Really, nothing but opportunity for us there with that active to go talk to some consumers that maybe we couldn't have talked to in the past. But we don't want to deviate too far from what we know and what's been really successful for us. It really starts with that RS.
Well, let's talk a little bit about the architecture bandwidth that allows the RS to live, going everywhere from a 17-inch all the way up to the available 20-inch on the RS. Spirited driving, comfort and confidence on the road. Again, just a great opportunity for us to express the RS trim within the portfolio.
Equinox clearly positioned at the heart of the market, the industry. We know convenience features. Let's touch a little bit on some of those convenience features and what customers can really expect, from the Chevrolet Equinox.
Oh, certainly we're bigger, we're better, we're bolder, but that allows us to really get into the interior space where it's ingenious technology. We bring in the cargo flexibility and really that functionality that you're talking about that really is at the heart of the segment. That is what the customer is wanting, and that's what we deliver with the package.
Let's touch on technology. It really starts with the second you get in there, you know something's different, right?
And really when you interact with the vehicle, that is the first time you really realize that this fourth generation really raises the bar. It has to be the ingenious technologies we talked about, but it has to be intuitive. We have to be able to get in and interact with the vehicle seamlessly and really answer what the customer and the consumer is looking for.
So we've talked a lot about convenience technology. We know another really big reasons for purchase, what consumers are looking for, is safety.
Well, certainly the fourth generation Equinox builds upon our core and fundamental principle of the Chevy safety assist features. We bring in HD surround vision, we bring in reverse automatic braking, and we have a whole host of customer-driven safety features that really the segment drives and really is the standard for the segment.
We've talked about a lot. You know the next question that's coming. What's the one thing that you're most excited about for the next generation Equinox?
When I think about that comfort, control, and balance, and really the expressive design cues we bring to the vehicle, and we bring with it all of the command center, ingenious technology and what our customer really needs to have. So Brad, what's your one word to really summarize the 25 Equinox?
I think it's choice, just because we know how important the heart of the market is and what consumers want. And now we're bringing a full selection of choice, whether you're talking about trims or powertrains, all-wheel drive, those things that we know consumers want, Equinox is going to deliver in a big way. That's what I'm excited about. Thanks, Jeff. Really appreciate you always taking the time to come talk to us about our great vehicles. We couldn't be more excited at Chevrolet to talk about the 2025 next generation Chevrolet Equinox. We know this is an enormous opportunity for Chevrolet, and we can't wait to get this into your showrooms. Thanks for being with us today.